Welcome to my mom's kitchen. Today I'm making bread pudding.
This is what I'm gonna use.
So I got some bread, some evaporated milk,
2 cups,
2 cups, 4
4
eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half 1 cup milk,
no, half cup of
Half-
condensed milk,
half cup of condensed milk, and
1/3 heavy
One-
cream.
1/3 heavy cream.
First,
We're going to peel the bread into little pieces.
now you're gonna cut the
We're going to cut the bread by hand.
faster. You get the whole thing. Cut all of them. Don't put it down, please. See, if you cut and cut like that, just if I don't pick it up, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Keep going. This is how you do it. Just you can use any kind of bread or any special bread you want.
You can use any bread or any special bread you want.
But I use this one.
But I use this one.
This is fun. You can do with your kids if you guys if you're looking for something to do with your kids.
They can help you cook.
This is what you can do. Help you. There we go, like that. Just like that. Okay. Now mix. Now put this in here.
Now we put this.
here.
Here.
That's 2 cups, right? 2 cups. Now put that 4
eggs.
4 eggs.
And here.
Mix it.
Mix it.
You do it. Mix it good, like this. Now put the sugar.
The whole thing?
Yes, it's 1 cup sugar. Now
The condensed
milk. Mix, mix, mix.
Mix.
Alright, now stop eating in here. Now that one.
Now this.
The heavy cream. Heavy cream. Okay, put it there. Now mix. Look like this. Okay, now 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, mix. Okay, you're not playing like this, right? Okay. Mix. Keep mixing. Now, when you get done mixing, come here, what's in here? We're going to, what you gonna do?
Put the bread in.
No, this one, the liquid, you're gonna go on there, on the bread.
Okay.
See, look, like this, like that. Put in there together. There. Now what you can do, push that, push it, push the bread down. Get your hands off on it. Like this, hey, watch me.
Okay. So
put your hands in your mouth. There we go.
This is starting to look like bread pudding.
Okay, you do it now. Push it. Push hard. Alright, and we're gonna bake for 350 for 40 minutes, okay? Bake for 350 for 40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Oh, this is heavy.
Come in here. You don't need to make it. No, wait, 40 minutes. 350 for 40 minutes.
350 for 40 minutes.
Look in there. Look in.
Well, while we're waiting for the bread pudding, we're going to make the sauce.
Okay, what you use?
We got butter,
How many butter is that?
12,
No, 1.
1,
Okay, put the butter in there on the That one. Keely, just pick it up. Pick it up, put it in there.
The butter.
Okay, put it in there. Now put that in there. Look. Now put the... What is this?
We got some heavy milk,
cream.
Heavy cream.
One cup.
1 cup.
Then,
We got some sugar.
what kind of sugar?
Brown sugar.
Light brown sugar, 1 cup.
1 cup.
Then, no, you're not gonna do that.
Oh yeah. We got the vanilla.
1 teaspoon of,
Vanilla. 1 teaspoon.
put it here. Put it on. Now,
We're stirring it.
we're gonna cook it.
We're going to cook it.
We're gonna cook that for low.
We're going to cook that for low.
What are we doing?
So the sauce is getting ready to get out of the oven. The bread pudding is getting ready to get out of the oven. So we're stirring the sauce.
Are you cooking the sauce for how many minutes? 15 to
15 to
20?
20 minutes.
Okay. Until it gets
Until it
what? Thick.
thick.
And it's ready
And it's ready
to put.
to put on the bread pudding.
Okay. Just keep mixing, okay? It's getting closer. Okay, what's happening now?
My sauce is done. The
Okay.
bread pudding's done.
Okay, we're gonna get out the bread pudding.
I can't have bread pudding now.
Wait a minute.
Ah.
It's done.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna take that out. Wait a minute.
Can you please have bread pudding? Can you please have bread pudding? Look at that. That looks good.
Alright, what are you gonna do now?
Put the sauce.
Don't sit down there, please.
I'm going to put the sauce on. My mom's going to do it.
You come in here. With me.
Washing body, she finished the.
Get out in there, Clay. Because Clay was trying to... Now it's ready.
Now it's ready to eat. No, sorry. Can you please have bread pudding? Hello, Daddy. Dad will love it.
You see? What you gonna say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe button and share comments down below.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you one more time.